Pull pin kit only. Use with Reese 16K and 22K fifth wheel hitches. Reese part number, 58053. Item package weight, 0.68 kilograms. This Reese pull pin kit fits fifth wheel hitch base rails with 1/2 diameter pins. The base rail pin kit includes 4 pins and 4 spring cotter pins. Top reviews from the United States. If it's a Reese, use Reese hardware. The lock pins are a fairly simple component of a Reese hitch, and there are other suppliers that manufacture ones that will fit, but as a former quality assurance engineer, I always prefer that I use components manufactured by the original manufacturer of whatever unit I am using. I have both the 15K Trail Boss horseshoe hitch and the 25K gooseneck hitch, both made by Reese, and appreciate that both fit the Reese rails and both use the same locking pins. I also bought the brackets bolts needed to mount the rails to the frame of my F350 truck that are made by Reese, knowing that everything will fit without modifications. I appreciate Amazon's quick delivery of my purchases.